Patterns of Inheritance by Alexandra Hickey. Mendelian inheritance is a term that describes the simple inheritance pattern discovered by Gregor Mendel around 1865 that follows the laws of segregation and independent assortment. In the corn example to the right, we can see that the parent black corn has a genotype of big R and is homozygous dominant, while the yellow corn has a genotype of little r and is homozygous recessive. But instead of mixing and the child corn coming out with two different color kernels, it turns out to be completely black. This is an example of complete dominance, where the dominant allele completely masks the recessive allele. This means that the child can still pass on the recessive allele, but it will not show up again unless the child has a genotype of little r. In Mendel's experiments on pea plants, he found that traits did not come from one specific parent, but rather one copy of a gene is inherited from the parents and shows up in the child based on the gene-specific patterns of inheritance. The law of independent assortment states that two phenotypic characteristics are not linked and are inherited separately. And fun fact, corn holds the same patterns of inheritance as pea plants. In this dihybrid cross, we are predicting the phenotypic ratio when crossing two fruit flies, one with red eyes and normal wings, big G, big E, little e, and one with sepia eyes and vestigal wings, little g, little e, little e. The traits are divided up evenly with 4 normal wings, red eyes, 4 normal wings, sepia eyes, 4 vestigal wings, red eyes, and 4 vestigal wings, sepia eyes. This means that each offspring has a 25% chance of getting each combination.